walkthrough, we're going to show how the proposal approval feature works in Followup CRM. The purpose of this feature is to enforce internal approval before a proposal is sent to a client. I'll start in automations. Here, I've created a proposal automation rule using a condition like proposal amount greater than 200,000. You can also add extra conditions and choose operators like greater than or less than. Then in the action, we use request quote approval and assign an approver. Now I'll switch to proposal generator and open a quote. As I add products and adjust markup, the total changes. When the quote total goes above my threshold, the system automatically detects that and changes the state to require approval. At this point, I see the approval flow state instead of the normal send flow. If I lower the quote amount so it no longer matches the rule, the approval requirement is removed, and the button changes back to send to client. So this is dynamic. The workflow responds to current quote values in real time. Now I'll move it back above the threshold and click Send for approval. I can add an internal message here, but this is optional. After I submit, the approver receives an email. Next, I'll open that approval email link. If I open the link while logged into the wrong user account, I'll get a permission message. Only the assigned approver can take action. When I open the same link with the correct approver account, I can access the approval review page. On the review page, the approver sees the quote details, approval history, and audit trail. From here, the approver can either approve or reject. If rejected, they can include feedback so the rep knows what to change. If approved, the proposal status updates immediately. Now when I return to Proposal Generator, the proposal shows as approved, and the action changes back to send to client. At that point, the quote can be sent through the normal client send process. In summary, this feature gives us policy control, clear accountability, and audit visibility, while still keeping the proposal workflow fast for reps and approvers.